News that's breaking this are unruly scenes in the Assembly of Karnataka with the appointment of Justice by Bhaskar Rao as a new Lokayukta.
RTI activists in the visitors gallery of the State Assembly raised slogans against the state government. As you're seeing, they're getting into a scuffle with marshals. Now, they were demanding that former Lokayukta Justice N. Santosh Hegde's model be followed. The marshals, after that scuffle, evicted them. They're now in police detention. Remember, considerable tension in Karnataka over the appointment of the Lokayukta in the first place. But these scenes coming in from earlier today, the Karnataka State Assembly witnessing that amounts of chaos there. Some of these people are RTI activists who are now in police detention.
That's right. Violent scenes. Remember, the position of the Lokayukta has been lying vacant for close to a year. There have been debates going on about whether or not the Karnataka government is also making that position defunct. Finally, an appointment coming in by the state government. We're being told that Justice Y. Bhaskar Rao has been appointed as a new Lokayukta. Activists are demanding that former Lokayukta Justice N. Santosh Hegde's model be followed. Remember, Justice Santosh Hegde has been leading the campaign against corruption in the state.
All right, let's talk to Deepa Balakrishnan, who joins us live from Bangalore at the moment. Deepa, what are you picking up and in terms of what's happening with these people who've been detained?
Well, they continue to be detained because the marshals who actually took them into custody, took them into preventive detention, actually are waiting for a word from the Speaker's office on what action should be taken against them, considering that the police jurisdiction really doesn't come inside the Assembly Hall, and these people had found their way through the different security rings into the Assembly Hall. Now, the fact is that this is a group of the Madiga Dandora committee which actually believes in this kind of sensational protest. Earlier, we had seen that they had done a protest, a similar one, at a public rally of Sonia Gandhi. So they are not new really to controversy of this sort. Of course, considering that they found their way inside the Assembly Hall to the Speaker's gallery, the visitors gallery, and then shouted slogans from there was quite an audacious protest demonstration at this point. So certainly the Speaker's office has to get back to the marshals on what action should be taken against them. As of now, they continue to be detained.